Today's video is on cleaning procedure. There are lots of material used in cleaning. For mild steel or ferrous parts, mainly caustic soda, soda ash, trisodium phosphate, sodium metasilicate, and sodium cyanide use in different compositions. But in non-ferrous metals, avoid caustics because this chemical gives bad effect on surface.
For iron and steel, caustic soda works well. It provides good cleanliness and the piece doesn't get damaged. However, for brass, copper, and zinc, the caustic soda should be very low.
Have you ever pondered on the significance of cleaning small items? It might seem trivial, but the importance of this task is monumental. Cleaning or polishing can be done with or without electricity, each method holding its own merits. To begin with, small items are immersed in a warm cleaning solution. After a certain period, they are removed and washed. If the items are severely tarnished, a mild electric current is introduced to aid in the cleaning process. This method is known as electrocleaning, and it can be done in two ways: direct current or reverse current. In direct current cleaning, the items or parts are connected to the cathode or negative terminal. This process is akin to placing the small items in a warm bath of cleaning solution and letting the negative ions do their magic. The process is gentle, yet powerful enough to remove stubborn dirt and grime. On the other hand, reverse current cleaning involves connecting the items to the anode or positive terminal. This method reverses the flow of electricity, resulting in a more aggressive cleaning action. It is particularly effective for items with heavy grime or stubborn stains. However, it is crucial to pay careful attention during these processes. Leaving the items for too long can lead to damage. In summary, cleaning small items may seem like a mundane task, but it holds significant importance. The process involves immersing the items in a warm cleaning solution, washing them, and if necessary, introducing an electric current. This current can be direct or reverse depending on the degree of cleaning required. But remember,
जरूरी नहीं कि आप इन केमिकल से ही सॉल्यूशन बनाएं। साल्ट तैयार भी मिलता है। मनको क्लीनर, जूनिक्स क्लीनर, इनोडक्स क्लीनर और इसी तरह की तैयार सॉल्ट मिलते हैं। आप वो लेकर आसानी से काम कर सकते हैं। काम शुरू करते वक्त दस्ताने और मास्क जरूर पहने क्योंकि केमिकल खतरनाक होते हैं। जब भी सॉल्यूशन बनाना हो, पहले बर्तन में पानी लें, फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इसमें केमिकल डालें। कभी भी केमिकल में पानी ना डालें। ये मुख्तसर सी वीडियो आपको ज़रूर पसंद आएगी। मज़ीद मालूमाती वीडियोज़ के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।